back everybody, it's Energy. That's me, the Jerry from TNT. Welcome back to my channel. So it's another extra special video today because it's a weekend, it's Friday, and all I'm thinking about is popcorn. Now, not just the regular popcorn, no, we're going to make it nice today. We're going to be doing a caramel popcorn. Probably wondering, caramel popcorn might be a little hard to make at home. Guess what? It's actually not that hard at all. And today we're going to be using items that are on special at Xtra Foods right here in Trinidad. So we've got our popcorn. This is so easy to do. You just pop this into the microwave, couple of minutes, you've got some popcorn. But we're not just going to be leaving it at regular popcorn. We're going to be doing caramel style popcorn today. So we're going to be using the marigold butter that is on special as well at Xtra Foods. So check them out. So let's get into the caramel popcorn. Alright guys, so the ingredients that we need to put together this caramel popcorn is actually pretty straightforward. So we've got our butter, we've got our popcorn, some sugar, some baking soda and some salt, some maple syrup. You can use corn syrup. I did not have corn syrup, so I'm using maple syrup. And we go in with some vanilla essence as well. Okay, so the first thing we're going to be doing is putting our popcorn into the microwave. We're going to be putting it into the microwave just like this for about a minute and 45 seconds. You can just follow the package instructions. Alright, so we open it on this. Be very careful, the heat, the steam. Empty it out into a bowl. And we're going to set this aside and we're going to be making our caramel sauce. Alright, so we're going to start our caramel sauce. Got my sugar, my syrup, my salt, and our butter. So on medium heat, we're going to let it come to a boil. We're going to cook it for just about 5 minutes. Remember to stir. Now we're going to be adding our essence. And our baking soda. Turn it off. Okay, so I'm adding this. And now we're gonna just mix it all up. Make sure it gets on all. Try your best. Now we're going to spread it out on a baking sheet. And then we're going to put this into the oven at 250 for about between 45 minutes and an hour. And every 15 minutes or so, 15-20 minutes, you're going to just turn it up and just put it back. Stir it and then put it back into the oven. We're going to put it in the oven at 250. We're going to bake it for 45 minutes to an hour. But every 15 minutes to 20 minutes, you're going to have to keep turning it up. So let's put this into the oven. Alright, so it's 15 minutes later. Just take it out of the oven. Make sure you just want to turn it up. And the point of doing this is just to keep coating everything nicely. So you're going to pop this in again for next 15 minutes. Take it out. And then after that, we'll do it for one more time. And that will be it. Alright guys, so it's 45 minutes total and oh my goodness, it smells so good. The entire house is just smelling like caramel and it looks fantastic. Alright guys, and that's what I have for you today. So thank you so much for watching. Caramel popcorn, easy to make. Go try it out this weekend with your kids, with your family. Just be careful. The sauce, the syrup can burn you very badly. So you just want to be careful with that. This does not take any kind of time at all. It's just the baking that may take 45 minutes. But hey, you get delicious caramel popcorn once you're finished. So just remember the items, the popcorn and the marigold butter on special at Xtra Foods right here in Trinidad. So be sure to check them out and take advantage of the specials that they have going on. Thanks so much for watching. Look out for more videos to come. Please unfold it back this side up, center of my plate. Set cook time for 1 minute 45 seconds. Kiki, how it tasting?